So here, the fruit that's being eaten is equivalent to death, and that's why there's a skull in the tree. And so, because what happened was when people became self-conscious, like consciously self-conscious, we started to understand the full nature of our vulnerability. And so what does that mean? Well, for human beings, in part, it meant that we discovered time. And that's a great thing to discover, because then it means you have the future to think about. But it's also an absolute bloody catastrophe, because you also understand that the future is finite, and that your life is bounded, and that you will end. And as far as we know, human beings are the only creatures that have to contend with that knowledge. And once you have it, like once you wake up like that, there's no going back to sleep. Like, it's a qualitative transformation in the nature of experience. And, you know, the Genesis story pushes the idea farther. It says the fact that we've woken up and are aware of our vulnerability is also what makes us fallen creatures. It makes us alienated from existence in a way that animals aren't. And so what that also means, and this is sort of an existential idea, is that the rise of self-consciousness in that manner, which is in part the knowledge of death, is also what's made people... well, one of the things that happens, for example, in Genesis is, it's quite a funny story.